We're going to Epcot today. We got Guardians of the Galaxy
Thanks to Mom.
passes. And this is my outfit. This is this dress from Target. That's it. Laurel, do you want to do your outfit?
No.
Okay. Checking out the new Club Cool.
I like the original Club Cool. When you used to walk through the icy place and it was super slippery and you had to be careful walking.
With the Frozen Man.
Yeah, and all the ice.
The only soda that they kept the same is the Beverly.
Yeah, and it was super dangerous. And here it's only Beverly?
Yeah, all of them are new.
Oh, how exciting!
Okay, we're trying the Madagascar one.
And Country Club.
Okay.
Oops, I just got a wet hand.
The Moto.
I just got Country Club wet.
And I'll try the water. I can't hold them all. Okay, we're gonna go try them. This is raspberry. Let's just set them right here.
I'll set mine down first. What country are we doing?
That's, I don't remember, it was raspberry.
Raspberry?
I think it was China. No, Philippines.
Oh, I like that one.
No, the raspberry was Moldova. The watermelon was, I think that was watermelon, Philippines. That's right, I'll try it.
What do you want to set down?
Ooh, both of those are good. What were the other ones?
The raspberry one. Alright, this is Country Club. I already tried it.
What is it?
Country Club is from
Oh,
Dominican.
that's good. That's good.
From Madagascar. This is Madagascar. What is this one?
That's just alright, a little too coconutty for me.
Yeah.
What was that?
This is Korea.
Oh, I wanted to try that one. Can I try it?
No, we already tried Korea.
It was just apple.
Oh wait, no, we didn't try
It was
Korea.
apple lychee.
No, Emma, get your own.
Oh, I'm gonna go get some. This is
Okay,
Korea.
we got the Korea one. I like that one.
This one's Philippines.
I got the Philippines.
You did the Philippines already?
That one.
So which one did we miss?
I think we got them all.
No, try this one.
Well, that's just Sprite. Is it the same?
That's Sprite what?
Just try it.
Was it the Beverly?
Is it Beverly?
No, I don't like the Beverly. Then we got the China Sprite.
No, it's Russia.
Russia Sprite.
Yeah.
Is it ginger?
They said cucumber.
Ew.
My favorite is the apple one. What is it? Korea?
I like the Country Club, the Dominican Republic.
Is this it? The apple? Oh my god,
What is
that's
China?
horrendous.
Barbecue sauce.
It's like barbecue sauce. Look what's like barbecue sauce.
No.
That's nasty.
What
That's
is
worse
that?
than Beverly. I would drink Beverly over that.
So we went to the new Creation store, and it's not nostalgic like the old one, but it's cool. I saw the Coach collection, and I really want something, but I don't know. Heading over to Guardians of the Galaxy now. Our boarding group is called. Laurel, you gotta take your ratatouille off for the ride.
I know, Emma.
Yeah, there's like 3.
Our spaceports are constantly evolving to handle the growing needs of both our civilian and military.
Guardians of the Galaxy, really good. We got the song Conga, not what I wanted, but it's fine. Motion sick issues, definitely will have, if any type. Yeah. They're coming. But now I feel a little motion sick. But we're gonna get lunch now. I got the prime rib. It's huge. I'm not gonna be able to eat all this. Found Spike at the Honey Bistro. Get that one out. That's the Kiana. There's Spike way over there. You can't kind of see him, but he's the Camila. I got the orange wine slushy. It has like an orange cream taste to it. If you don't like, it's more of a
taste like wine at all.
It's more of a sweeter wine. Like you don't get much of a taste to it, but it has like very much an orange cream taste to it. I don't know what was in it, but it was good. Going on Figment now.
It's about listening with your imagination. Eyes, but imagine what you could see if you used your imagination.
Must be captured. Control.
The good times roll. Woo! You win 1 cent. Of course, Doc. The nose knows.
One arm lift can send you reeling. One lovely snip can be a
Everybody,
Figment, what is going on? You're turning this entire open house upside down.
upside down. Now you're
Talking.
It's the best idea you've had all day.
with just a spark of inspiration. I made my house an innovation. Imagination really found around.
Upside down.
Now here's a real open house. Come on in. So what do you think? Is it me? Doc, it's exactly what I imagined. Imagination is the brain's open house.
When it's set free,
You said it, Doc. Imagination is a blast.
In the DVC lounge, we get free soda and like chips up here. I think you can see that couple. I don't know. Yeah, there it is. From where we are. Just chilling. So we redeemed our maps, and I got the Mickey bowl. Oh, it's upside down. Yeah. Going on soaring again. They're back there doing whatever they're doing. Never look at the top row. We got row 3. Yay.
Doors will open automatically. Watch your step.
Remain seated. Keep your
And watch your step.
Please watch your
healthy is as easy as getting out out of bed in the morning. You can get daily health checkups just by taking a smart pill with your vitamins. After scanning your body through light waves, it sends the info to your doctor to let her know things are A-OK. And now you're ready to start your healthy day. While you're getting the exercise that you love, sensors in your clothing keep track of your vital signs, making sure you get the ultimate workout. And sensors with your health can put you with more benefits, which guides you to healthy food, customized to your taste. You can live a longer and healthier life, enjoying the outdoor adventures that you love. So take a leap into your future. It's too good to miss. Or should I say the beginning of your future?